Alright guys, I'm gonna walk that that direction and see where it leads me to a Riverwalk trail. Looks like they used to have parking right here, but they don't allow people to go in there anymore. It's all locked up. I came out here a long time ago before, but I cannot exactly remember how far I walked. I thought I'd come out here today and walk around. When I came out here a long time ago, I walked towards that way, right? That way, because that will eventually lead to Fred Meyer's downtown Puyallup, or River Road Puyallup. And here, let me see, what does it say? Yeah, there's an arrow right here. It says Riverwalk Trail. So as you can see right here, there's the sign. So what I will do is I'll attempt to follow the sign just like before, right? Always following the sign is the best, right? I hope it's the right place I'm going. But I will go and walk down here because that's what the arrow says, right? Go straight. Not sure I'm going the right place or not, but we'll see. Yeah, they have some really old houses. Look, super old, right? Look at the house over there. It's not new. It's pretty old. If I go down there and it's not the right place, then I'll turn back. But right now, the arrow is pointing that way. So we'll see. You always gotta follow the arrow. That way you don't get lost or anything like that, right? I hope that there's more signs because there's a construction up ahead and I don't know how far I can go up. What I was hoping is that there's some kind of turnoff to the left or something like that before, but I think I'm gonna have to go across the street because there's construction over there. So let me cross the street before too many cars come by. Yeah, I'm actually going into the neighborhood. Not sure about this direction I'm going. And I don't see any more signs. See, that's what worries me, is that there's no direction, no signs, or it gives me a clue that I'm going the right way. Yeah, I better cross the street. But there's a lot of cars, which means that this is a busy road. I know that road right there. If you keep on going, you will end up in Sumner. But let's go right here. Hopefully I'm headed the right direction. But Unfortunately, there's a construction over there, and I don't see any signs. I go a little bit farther. Maybe I should have turned over there or something, but I didn't see any kind of sign saying to turn. I see a school crossing over there. Yes. Some of these houses been here for a long time because they have a detached garage, right? A lot of people don't build houses nowadays with detached garage. Hey, good morning. There's a little playhouse over there. I cannot see the sign over there, but there's some kind of elementary school over on the right side. Oh, that's a Stewart Elementary School. See, I haven't seen any signs that say Riverwalk this way or anything. So what I'll do, I know there's nothing, but what I'll do is I'll take a left here. I know if you keep on going that way, it's just gonna be end up in downtown Puyallup. So let me go this way. Maybe I'm going the right direction or not, but Oh, I thought there was a sign right there, but it's a Belly Park. 1 or 2 bedroom units. They're advertising for their apartment complex. I got excited for a few seconds. See, I was thinking that that's the way to go for the Riverwalk Trail. Yeah, like I said, I'm not that familiar with this area, so I'm gonna have to explore to see if I'm going the right direction or not. Some of the houses are old, but they look fine. Okay, now what? Well, I don't have any other choice other than to take right. This doesn't look promising. I don't think that this is taking me anywhere to Riverwalk Trail. Maybe I should turn back because I think it's just gonna take me to that road right there. Let me see. Yeah, I don't see any side roads or anything like that. Okay, let me go a little bit farther. It doesn't really matter. The whole point is that I'm exercising, right? This is a whole new neighborhood that I've never been in. I think if I keep on going and take a left over there, eventually I'll end up in Sumner, and then from there I think there's entrance to a Riverwalk Trail. I don't know what the Sumner side calls theirs, but hopefully it's the same name, right? Yeah, see, that street right there is the East Main that connects it to the Sumner. I don't know how far I have to walk, but we'll see. Not big deal. I'm okay for a couple hours, so let's go down here. I don't particularly want to go on the main road. A lot of traffic and a lot of car noise. And looks like that's the freeway. If I'm not wrong, that has to be the 512 freeway. I see a sign over there. I think I'm not lost. I think I did good. Underneath the freeway on the pillar there, it says something. It looks like pointing to a Riverwalk Trail. Yeah, my eyesight's not that good, so I can't see that far, but I think that's what it says over there. I think I got lucky. There's a few cars coming down this street. I know there should have been one more sign, but there was no sign pointing to this side, but that sign does say Riverwalk Trail. Let me zoom in so you guys can see it. See? It says Riverwalk Trail. So I'm good. Here we go. So I'm at the right place. All right. I still don't see any parking though, because even this parking lot here is blocked off. They don't want anybody parking, and don't look like they're taking care of this parking space because it's overgrown, right? Yeah, let me show you guys the river. See that right there? Goes all the way down that way. Right now there's nobody in the river, but during the winter time or fall, there will be sometimes there'll be salmon run and people will be in there. Okay, so let's look at this. Oh, this is the Foothills Trail, Pierce County, Washington. So we're right here. Right here, right? It goes all the way down, Puyallup River, Orting, all the way down to Enumclaw. So, yeah, it's gonna be a long ways. I'm not gonna go that far, but I will go far as Sumner here. So let's just go down to Sumner right here. So we're like right here. So we'll go over here, and then I think I started somewhere right over here, you know, but I went through the neighborhood. I think you're supposed to do that. So let's go this way. since we're already this way anyways. Yeah. Plus, there's no other place to go that way other than where I just came, right? Yeah, once we get to Sumner, we'll turn around and come back, then go all the way to over by the Fred Meyer's. Yeah, there's no way for us to do the whole Foothills Trail. I didn't know that this was part of the Foothills Trail, but I've been on parts of the Foothills Trail, and it's super long. Look at the bank right there, way over there. People would see when the salmon is running, you know, then people will be, a whole bunch of people will be right there. A lot of wildflowers. This is some kind of business or some kind of office, and I'm not really sure if you are walking this trail you can park over here or not. Oh, there's a sign over there. It's multi-care, weak nutrition services. See, they have a stone bench right there, also right here, stone bench. Maybe they let you park over here. I don't know. There's a sign over there. Let me go see what that sign says. Yeah, it says no overnight parking, no fisherman parking. So I guess you can park to walk. I mean, I don't think anybody would complain, right? I'm not sure, but it doesn't say no Riverwalk Trail parking or anything like that. So yeah, just so you know, I've been walking for about 18 minutes. That's the problem with some of these trails, is that there's no place to park your car unless you live in this neighborhood, right? Then you can park at your house. But since I don't live around here, I have to find a parking. And here's a little RV park. Yeah, I like it. This Riverwalk Trail. Because look, it's paved and everything, right? And a lot of trees. So even if the sun's out and this is just beating down, it doesn't matter. Because this shade will protect you from the sun's rays, right? I guess it's because it's a little overcast. That's why probably nobody's walking this trail, but normally I bet you there's a lot of people walking it. Even though freeway and the major road is right there, I don't hear a whole lot of cars, so it's not too bad. Yeah, definitely this is the trail I wanted to come to today. And even after I parked the car over there at that other entrance, right? And then I walked over here, still, I didn't get lost. So at that Veterans Park, then over here, it's totally good. So right there is entrance to this trail. So right here, whether you're allowed to park there or not, no idea. As long as you're not taking up too much space, and as long as you're not leaving it there for overnight, I think they're good with that. But let me read the sign. Let's see what it says. There's a sign right here. Let's see. It just says no motor vehicles. And this says attention, no sportsman parking during normal business hours. No public parking Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Violators will be towed. Oh, you see that? Oh, so we cannot park here between 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. Okay, I got it. That's interesting. So you cannot park there. Yeah, hopefully where I parked, no one complains about me parking there. I didn't see anything down there, so I mean there's hardly no cars there either. And I didn't park in front of somebody's house or anything. I did park on the side of someone's house, but hopefully that's okay. Yeah, not too bad. As you can see, tall trees. Over there though, little ways up, that is wide open, so it's going to get a little bit warmer than over here, right? Because right now, right here is all shade. Yeah, but if you get tired, you can just sit on this bench. Yeah, this is the exact trail that I was looking for. And I guess I can bring my bicycle over here and ride my bicycle. Oh, there's a couple people right there. Come out of the woods. sometimes you have to keep it to yourself, you know, and because there could be some homeless people living in these woods. I guess you do have an exit right here back to the East Main. I doubt that that goes to any kind of trail, right? Let me see what the sign says. Oh, I can't see it. Somebody has written over it. Yeah, it's gotta be going back out. Yeah, there's the sun. The sun finally came out, but there's lots of clouds. It's burning off though. So it's another nice day. Looks like there's used to be something over here, but it looks like it caught on fire. See, like right there is housing, right? Oh, that's an apartment right there. It's all apartment complexes right here. So that had to be a road out to these apartment complexes or to the East Main. Yeah, now as you can see, there's hardly nothing. You cannot really go over there. It's all fenced off, so that you cannot go from here to there. Maybe that's like a water pump of some kind. Yeah, it was getting a little bit hot, but now we're going back into the, as you can see, I was sweating a little bit, tiny bit, and the river is right there. See, the river is right there, right? So this trail is hugging the river. Yeah, I can hear some kind of pump running. Yeah, I can see that there will be a lot of people out here. I'm not sure if it's legal or not for them to come out here and start fishing. In this water, there will be a lot of fish. But you gotta be careful though. Right now, it looks like there's not much current, but it could just all of a sudden turn on you, right? Yeah, this is a lot longer than I thought. I didn't know it went this far, hug the whole entire, go parallel to the river. Other than the two ladies I saw earlier, I haven't seen anybody on this trail. I think the number one thing is because there's no place to park for you to be able to drive over here and enjoy this trail. Yeah, right now it's 12:04 and I've been going for about 34 minutes. Let's see how far I can go, because this is becoming really long. I'm not really sure if I can go all the way or not, but we'll see. It would be much better if there was other people around it, but since I'm here by myself, just getting kind of bored. Because if it takes me an hour to get to the end, then I have to walk back another hour to get to where my car is, right? So if I go too far, then I might not have the energy to come back. Yeah, it keeps on going. And I don't see a single person anywhere near the river or even on this trail. Yeah, since this is part of the Foothills Trail, it's going to be, it will keep on going for a long time. I was hoping I can do it till I get to Sumner, but I don't think so. I think it's a lot farther than I thought. See, there's a bicyclist. He's stirring me. I got scared a little bit because I didn't expect anybody to come out of the blue. All right. Yeah, I can see the freeway over there, 167. There's so much land nobody's using between this trail and the main road or the housing development right there. A lot of land. Yeah, if I brought my bicycle, then I'll be much faster. But since I didn't, walking, maybe it's the quarter of the speed of the riding the bicycle. Yeah, I'm still okay though. I'm not really sweating that much. I mean, I feel a little bit of sweat coming out of my body, but not too bad. You know what this reminds me of? Like going down the Arizona highway from Nevada. That highway is just a straight line. There's no curves or anything like that. After you pass the Hoover Dam, and oh my God, it gets really boring. That's kind of like this, because there's nothing around, It'd be a different story if there's some stores on the side or vendors, but there just is nothing. And another thing is too, how would you be able to get those people over here? There's hardly nobody using this. It would not be economical for those people to come over here and set up a booth or set up a store. They're just No, nobody. There's nobody using this. Look, I'll turn around. Look, see? No one. And no one. Only person that was over here was that bicyclist. And he scared me a little bit. At night, there's no way I could come out here. You can only do this when the sun is up, because it would be very scary. Yeah, so far, since I parked my car, I've been walking for 41 minutes. But here is something. I see that there's picnic tables, even a garbage can. So once upon a time, maybe a lot of people used to come out here. But now, there's no one. All right, here we go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look down there, see how far I gotta go. Because I don't know how far I gotta go to get to Sumner, right? It could be really far. Yeah, it's pretty far. You see? It just keeps on going. So let's just go for a little longer. Yeah, I don't see anybody. Even the river, it's not used for anything other than water to come down from Mount Rainier, right? And then salmon to swim up to lay their eggs. Oh, I do see something. I guess there's cars going by. I see there's the freeway or the road. I'm not sure which is which. But yeah, so what I'll do, oh, I see somebody walking this way. Oh, there's another bicyclist. But I do see somebody walking. And yeah, so what I'll do is I'll go to that freeway right there and turn around, or road. Because it's just too far. Yeah, somebody's walking this way, so pretty soon, when they get closer, I'm gonna have to stop the filming. All right, I just want to show you guys this. I came out to a field. There's no fence. There's just a little low wood fence, but I think a property boundary perimeter. But there's apartment complex all alongside here, and there's some kind of structure right there. I think it used to be a long time ago. Some kind of pump. I mean, it could be used right now, I guess. You see it right there? Let me yeah, see right there? Some kind of, but there's now there's 4 or 5 people going that way, and there's a bicyclist went this way. I think there are more people coming this way from over there. I think. I can't tell. Yeah, there are people coming this way. Much better. More activity. Yeah, I had to stop the filming for a little bit because people coming near me, right? Yeah, I don't like film the people without their permission. Oh, there's somebody on a bicycle coming this way right now. Yeah, if they all of a sudden appear without me knowing, then it's fine. But like this bicyclist, I can see him. You know, there's no point of me still filming. Yeah, in the water, there's some kind of like a barge right here. Do you guys see that? Some kind of barge. Yeah, right there. Or a tent. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but it's right there. Huh. Yeah, there are some people underneath the bridge. Yeah, I know where we are now. This is where Puyallup and Sumner meets. It is the intersection. Oh, look at that. It is some kind of gizmo. I don't know what it is. See that middle part is turning? Wonder there's some kind of gadget to catch the debris, or oh, maybe that thing's generating electricity. It's like a water mill, not windmill, since this is not, there's no, you know, tall structure, you know, which is catching the wind. So, maybe that's what that is. Maybe it's generating electricity. All right. So guys, there's some people up ahead, and I don't want to be going over there, you know. So I'm gonna turn around and go back that way, and I know where it is right now. So over there, up ahead. So like way over here. That's this way. This way is Puyallup. To my right, and to the left is Sumner. So I'm gonna go back, and I've been walking for almost an hour, so I have to go an hour back. So I'm gonna go and walk back 1 more hour. Yeah, there's a guy doing skateboarding. Alright guys, I'll check in time to time as I make progress, so you guys know where I am, but I'll see you. Yeah, if you see across there, see all that bank right there, it sticks out a bit. It looks like somebody made that. It's not like by nature. And you see those little pebbles all on side? Somebody's taking care of this. It's not just nature doing it. Right? During the fishing season, you know, when the salmon is running, maybe that's where people line up to catch the salmon. Yeah, as you can see, there's some people back there, and then there's a cyclist up ahead. Yeah, there's nobody now. Everybody has left. Either the guy jogging, he went really fast, right? So he's jogging, so he left, and then all those people behind us, they went back to their either their condo or their business. As you can see, there's no one. Either. I don't know if you can see or not, but a kid on a skateboard passed me, and a husband and wife passed me, and then way back way, there's a guy coming towards this way. I don't know what's happening to my voice because I haven't had a liquid, right? I'm kind of getting thirsty. But anyways, yeah, not much traffic on this road. Yeah, now we're coming out to our apartment complex, but still nobody. Yeah, now I'm coming out to only parking lot on this Riverwalk Trail. As you can see, there's a parking lot. It's not the parking lot for Riverwalk Trail, but it's a parking lot. And this is the only bridge I will cross today. Yeah, it's 12:49 now. So I have to say, I've been out here about a little more than maybe hour 30, hour 45. Yeah, so it's very quiet. But I did see, a bunch, like a few, like 3 bicycles and about 2 people running and about half a dozen people, right? Maybe not that many, maybe about 8, 9 people. But right now it's almost 1 o'clock and now it's very nice. There's the sun. I should be getting out to a street pretty soon. Yeah, looks like it. See, I'm seeing more and more of the building, right? And then I do see, I know you cannot see it, but I do see freeway over there, cars. And I do see some houses over there also. Yeah, this is a good place to come out. Just need a few more people so that I'm not bored. All right, guys. Yeah, I didn't pay any attention earlier about the freeway, right? But now I can see the freeway there. You guys should be able to see it too. It's on top of, behind these trees. Yeah, there's some people on the parking lot. I'm glad for the shade, because if I didn't have the shade, I'd be sweating. The sun is all the way out now. Look. Yeah, I did see a couple people riding the bicycle. Looks like I am where I entered the Riverwalk, which is part of the Foothills Trail, right? So yeah, I see people. And look at the river. This is where you can see the river the best. You cannot see the river the other place very much, but here you can see it really nice, right? There's a river bank. People riding a bicycle. Looks like they went grocery shopping. Look, wildflowers. And the freeway. I just wanted to show you guys this shot right here. Nice, right? Nice shot of the river. Yeah, now I'm back where I was. Right here. That's where I entered, right? Over there. Yeah. So that's where I entered. So now I'm gonna have to take a right and go all the way through the neighborhood. One more. All right, now I'm going out to the neighborhood. Now I know that I know exactly where to go, and I know that I was not lost, right? But because they don't have much sign, I thought I was lost earlier, right? But I'm not lost. We are going this way, and I was hoping for this sign right here along the way, but I didn't see it. Only sign that I saw after I walked for a while was that sign over there, right? This sign right here, Riverwalk Trail. So I'm gonna walk all the way down to the elementary school, Stewart Elementary, then take a right, and I should be on my way. Yeah, when I'm walking, I need to remember some landmarks so that when I come back out into the neighborhood, I know where I am. Like Food Valley Park right there, that's a landmark, right? So now I know exactly where I am. I know exactly that I am in the right place. Now I know I'm at the right place because there's a Stewart Elementary right there, and there's the construction right over there. All right, guys, I'm almost there now. I passed the construction, it's back there, and then it's right there. I need to take left before the overpass, right? But only thing is, I wish they had signs. They need like 2 signs to let people know. I guess people that live around here, they know where to go, but like first timer like me, I thought I was lost, but I got lucky. Yeah, I'm trying to cross the street now before the cars come. There's cars coming right there, right? And then car right here. So yeah, I just gotta go right here. Where that guy's coming this way in a blue shirt, I have to take a left right there. All right, guys, I thank you for watching today's daily steps, and I'm back to Veterans Park. Look at these flowers right here, pretty nice, right? Somebody's taking care of it. Very nice. All right, we'll see you on my next video. Bye.